Let's make a simple Guyanese lunch. Eggplant with fried fish, or as we Guyanese would say, baigan or bouillon with fried fish. Let's get into the recipe. So I started off by adding some oil to my pot. Once that heats up, I came in with some aromatics. I'm using onions, garlic, some peppers and tomatoes. Give that a good stir, allow to go for about 2 minutes or so. And then I came in with my eggplant, baigan or bouillon. I added some seasoning for flavor and taste. Give it a good mix and let it simmer on low heat until it was nice and tender, stirring periodically. And this is what it looks like. Once it was done, I garnished with some scallion and parsley. And this was very simple, but absolutely delicious. Now let's fry up some fish to go with this. And today I'll be having this with some jasmine rice. So this is the rice. I know most people know how to cook rice by now. It's 2026. Use your rice cooker or do it however you know how. So today I'm using some flounder fillet, and I add some seasoning, which I will list in the description or the caption. Now to coat them, I added some cornstarch and a little bit of zaterains fish fry, and just coat them very well, and then into the hot oil we will fry them up to our desired texture. If you like it super hard and crispy, fry it for a very long time. If you like it nice and moist, you can fry it for a short time. And once it's done, I removed it and I plate up my meal. And let me tell you, I truly enjoy this. It hit the spot. It was very dear and near to my heart. And if you want to try this recipe, I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.